wet.
Yeah, mine too. What are we gonna do?
Well, I'll figure something out.
Oh, good. I hope so.
A little rain's on my
Oh my
front.
gosh! Oh my god!
Hey guys, this is Angela at Hair One LA. I'm going to show you some simple looks you can do after you got caught in the rain. So, as you can see, my hair is wet. All you need is some bobby pins and a comb. You can always find these things in your purse. Alright, so let's begin. So I like just very simple and messy styles, so I'll show you what I would do if I got caught in the rain. So this is my good side. Well, this is my good side, so I'm gonna put my part here. You can make it as far as you want, you can make it not so far. Alright. So this side, I'm gonna make it really clean. So I'm gonna use some bobby pins since I don't have any accessories. And this side, we'll figure this side after. But apart, just let it be. Alright, so you can actually use bobby pins and create a little, hair accessory. I'm just gonna crisscross, nothing too crazy. So like that. Just make sure you get all the hair in between. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you can do whatever you like. Then I'm gonna do one more. It's kind of cool. And this side, I like to keep it a little bit of texture, so I'll probably let it air dry like this. But yeah, you can just maybe do a clean comb over like that, and just, yeah, let the rest air dry. That's it.